Hello my dear students, how are you all? I am Sitara. I am going to teach you mathematics in this year. Hope you all are safe at home, stay safe. Shall we start our class? Okay. Today we are going to discuss about our first lesson, integers. We have already learned some ideas about integers in your 6th standard. So we will recall them. Then we can start our class. Okay dears? So there are different types of number you have studied in your earlier class. That they are natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. So what are the natural numbers? They are 1, 2, 3, etc. These numbers are called natural numbers. That means counting numbers. Now, what are the whole numbers? Whole number consists of zeros and positive natural numbers, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. are called whole numbers. Then integers consisting of 0, then positive numbers, also their additive inverses, that means -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. are called integers. Here these all are studied in your 6th standard class. Similarly, you have studied number line. What is number line? Number line is a graphical representation of real numbers. That means here we will have 1 0, that is in middle we will put it as 0. Then each number is, there are a unit distance in between the numbers. Both sides will have it. Each number is separated by a unit distance. So right side of the 0 always the number will be positives and left side always the number will be negative. Clear? Okay. Similarly, you have studied the addition and subtraction of integers. Addition and subtraction of integers. In your textbook there are some examples. We will check it out. Okay. There is one statement: when two positive integers are added, we get a positive integer. We want to say whether it is correct or not. We'll see. When two positive integers are added, taking the two positive integers 8 and 2. When these two numbers are added, we will get another positive integer. So the statement is correct. Okay. Our next statement: when two negative integers are added, we get a positive integer. When two negative integers are added, we get what? A positive integer. Is it correct? So when we are adding two negative integers, what will we do? Add the numbers. 8 plus 2 is 10. Then what is the sign here? Yeah, negative. So put it as negative. So when two negative integers are added, we will get the negative integer only. Correct? Now the next statement: when a positive integer and a negative integer are added, we always get a negative integer. That means when a positive integer and a negative integer are added, we will get always a negative integer. Is it correct? A positive integer and negative integer. What is the result? Yeah, 6. So our statement is like that: when a positive integer and a negative integer are added, you always get negative integer. That is depends on the numbers, right? What is the biggest number? We will apply the sign of the biggest number. If the integer is like -8 plus 2, what is the result? We will subtract it and apply the biggest number sign. Right? Okay, clear I think. Now next statement is additive inverse of an integer 8 is -8 and additive inverse of -8 is 8. That is fact. Additive inverse, sorry, if you are checking the some numbers, I will explain. Inverse and additive inverse. Additive inverse, if the number is 2, additive inverse of 2 is minus 2. If the number is 5, additive inverse of 5 is minus 5. If the number is minus 2, additive inverse is 2. Correct. What is the sign? Opposite sign. Clear? Okay. Then next statement. Minus of 10 plus 3 is equal to 10 minus 3. Is it equal? Minus of 10 plus 3 is equal to 10 minus 3. This is given in our textbook. Whether we want to check whether it is correct or not. Okay. First see this. Minus 10 plus 7. So what is the step we need to follow here? Yeah, we need to subtract the numbers. 10 minus 3 is 7. Then what is the sign? What is the biggest number here? It is 10. What is the sign of the 10? It is minus. Okay. Now here see 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3 is 7. No confusion. Is it same? No. These are not equal. Always consider the sign. Is it clear? This all you have studied in your 6th standard. We just recalled it. Now we will do some problems related to integers. This is an exercise problem given in a textbook. So the question is, following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. Now see here, this is the number line that represented temperature in a temperature at different places in degrees Celsius. So see here, this 0. How I told that in our number line the numbers are separated in a unit distance. So if it is 0, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. We are adding like that. Okay. Now we will do problems. Write temperature of each place. See, we have 5 places. We don't know what is the temperature of each places. So we need to write the temperature of each place. We'll start with Shimla. Okay. What is the temperature of Shimla? That is clear here. It is 5. It is 5 degrees Celsius. Shimla. Then what is the temperature at Ooty? We'll count 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 degrees Celsius is the temperature of Ooty. Okay. Now what is the temperature of Bangalore? It is 20, 21, 22. So 22 degrees Celsius is the temperature at Bangalore. Then what about Srinagar? So this all are the right side of 0. So all are in positive. Now see, this is the left side. So what is the temperature in Srinagar? 0, 1, 2. That is 0, minus 1, minus 2. So temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius. Then what about Lahul Spiti? Lahul Spiti is minus 5. Here is here minus 5. This is the 6, 7, 8. So minus 8 degrees Celsius is the temperature at Lahul Spiti. Okay, so we find all places temperature. The next question is, what is the temperature difference between hottest and coldest place? So from this number line it is clear. What is the biggest number? It is 22 degrees Celsius. So this is the hottest place. Then what is the smallest here? This, see here, one difference, I'll tell you. 22 degrees Celsius minus, we need to find the difference between the hottest and coldest place, correct? Okay. So, hottest temperature is 22 degrees Celsius. Then what is the coldest place here? You will tell -2. No, that is wrong. When we are taking the negative integers, what is the biggest integer? That will be the smallest, right? So, coldest place is -8. Okay, it is -8. So, when taking the differences, see here 22 degrees Celsius minus -8 degrees Celsius. Then it will be like, it is equal to 22 plus 8 equal to 30 degrees Celsius, right? When we are adding them, we will do like that only, no? Okay, then what next question is, what is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? What is the temperature here? Lahul Spiti, the temperature is -8 degrees Celsius. Okay. We need to find the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar. What is it, Srinagar? It is -2. So when we are adding these two integers, we will get -2 plus 2, that is equal to -6 degrees Celsius. This is the difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar. So is it clear, students? Now we will discuss the next problem. See, in a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If Jack's scores is 5 successive rounds over 25, -5, -10, 15 and 10, what was his total at his end? So we need to find the total marks of Jack's when Jack scores both correct answers and wrong answers. Okay. So what are the given scores? They are 25, -5, -10, 15 and 10. So in our question it is clear that positive marks are given for correct answer and negative marks are given for wrong answer. So what are the marks given for the correct answers? It is 25 plus 15 plus 10, right? So what is 25 plus 15 plus 10? These are the positive marks given for correct answer. So it is 25 plus 10, it is 35, 35 plus 10, 45 plus 5, it is 50 marks. So it means 50 marks. Now, what are the marks given for the wrong answer? For the wrong answer, it is given -5 plus -10. Okay, it is -15. So we got both marks. Which are now the total marks of Jack's. See, we got the positive marks and negative marks. That means the correct answer mark and wrong answer mark. So total mark at the end is, we need to add these two, right? Total marks, we need to add the total mark of correct answer and total mark of wrong answer. So it will be get 50 plus -15. This is equal to what? 15 plus -15 is equal to 35. So at the end, Jack secured the total mark, which is 35. Clear? Similarly, you have so many exercises in your textbook. All you can do, because all are related with your 6th standard class. Okay, just try it at home. Then if you have any doubt, just call me. Okay, it is very easy. You just try once. If it is not getting, you can contact me.